Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arash Hakimi bin Hikmah from Group 7. Today I will present about fish hematology. For introduction and objective, fish hematology also includes the study of osmolality or the solid content in fish blood plasma. In aquatic settings, osmolality is essential for preserving fish osmotic balance and general physiological health. Fish adjust to changing salinity levels in water by controlling the concentration of ions and other solutes in their bodily fluids. This process is known as osmoregulation. The objective is to differentiate red blood cell and white blood cell and to observe the level of osmolality in eel blood. Hypothesis experiment. The hypothesis that can be predicted from this experiment is that when the amount of water in the Asian swamp eel's body is high, then the osmolarity rate in the body is low. While if the amount of water in the body is low, then the osmolarity rate is high. The effect on Asian swamp eel of high osmolarity or low water content in the body will cause them to be in an unpleasant situation, where it causes a change in behavior because air cannot be transported by blood throughout the body due to lack of water. For the result, there are three samples of blood layer. Sample A is 302 osmolality, sample B 301, and sample C is 299. For the function, the red blood cell carry oxygen from the lungs and deliver it throughout our body. Red blood cells also transport waste such as carbon dioxide back to our lungs to be exhaled. Red blood cells can carry oxygen due to a protein called hemoglobin, while white blood cells protect you against illness and disease. They follow through your bloodstream to fight viruses, bacteria, and other foreign invaders that threaten your health. For the discussion, the osmolality of the eel blood in sample A is 302 kg. This is within the normal range for eel blood, which is typically between 290 and 310. The osmolality of the blood is a measure of the concentration of solids in the blood, and it is important for maintaining the balance of fluids in the body. Eels are able to regulate their blood osmolality in response to changes in the salinity of their environment. When eels move from freshwater to saltwater, they need to increase the osmolality of their body of their blood to prevent water loss. They do this by drinking saltwater and absorbing salt through their gills. Conversely, when eels move from saltwater to freshwater, they need to decrease the osmolality of their blood to prevent water gain. They do this by urinating and excreting salt through their gills. The ability to regulate blood osmolality is essential for eels to survive in a variety of environments. It allows them to move between freshwater and saltwater habitats, and it helps them to maintain a stable internal environment. The osmolality of eel blood can vary depending on the species of eel, the size of eel, and the eel's health. The osmolality of eel blood can also be affected by environmental factors such as temperature and salinity. The changes in the osmolality of eel blood can be a sign of stress or disease. As for the conclusion, the fish hematology lab report indicates essential information about the blood composition, providing insights into the health and physiological status of the fish. Analyzing parameters such as red blood cells, counts, hemoglobin levels, and hematocrit values contribute to our understanding of the fish overall well-being. Any deviations from normal ranges may suggest underlying health issues or environmental stressor. Fish disease caused by pathogenic organism present in the environment is likely contagious and treatment may be necessary to control the disease outbreak. Therefore, intensive farming practices and infectious disease induce major problems. That's all from me. Thank you.